FlashForge 3D Printer Creator Pro, metal frame structure, acrylic covers, optimized build platform, dual extruder W/2 spools, works with ABS and PLA. FlashForge 3D Printer Creator Pro. These new features are only available on the new FlashForge Creator Pro. Much more powerful software FlashPrint, which is developed by FlashForge engineers, now is compatible to FlashForge Creator Pro. No need for expensive aftermarket software purchase, a new power supply from Delta, the world's leading power supply maker. The printer's voltage control now sets automatically to match region. The new front door comes pre-installed, and has been redesigned to provide easier access to prints. The new injected PC top cover comes in one solid piece, making it stronger and more effective at regulating temperature. The new, larger platform adjusting screws have been re-engineered for easier use. The new extruder wiring router can protect wiring from wear and tear efficiently.